Welcome back, everybody. So I'm sure everybody's anxious to see who is going to be the winner of the Kill 'Em Outdoors t-shirt. And I also got this sweet camera flashlight in the mail from Banggood.com, and I'm going to do a little review on this and show you guys how you guys could get yourself one for 10% off. But anyways, I have all the names of everybody that commented on my video and the people that were subscribers. There's like 230 names in here. So what I did was make sure that they were indeed a subscriber, and some of them weren't, unfortunately. So if you weren't a subscriber, your name's not in here, even if you did leave a comment. But there's over 200 names in here, and I cut them all out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick 10 names out of here, and then from there I'll put those in another bucket, and then I'll pick out of that those 10 names. So you might have a chance here. I'm gonna go ahead and put the top on, give it a good shake. Okay, now without looking, okay, the first one that's going to be in it is Kenneth Russell. And he said, "You are my favorite YouTuber. Keep putting out great videos." So Kenneth Russell is going to be in the final drawing here. I'm going to put his name in there. The next one's going to be Michael Hedgepeth. And he said, "Thanks for the heads up on using 300 Win Mag on groundhogs. I've always used a 243, 204, or other smaller calibers. But now that you mention it, the fastest, flattest, most accurate rifle I own, a Browning A-Bolt with titanium receiver, Nikon optics, Boss muzzle brake system. I never owned a rifle so accurate." So Michael, he's going to be in the final draw. Christopher Lackey. Keep up the great videos, Cliff. He's going to be in the final draw. Whoop. We'll give her another good shake here before we keep drawing. Mikey D'Agostino. Love the videos. Keep up the great work. He's going to be in the final draw. Ethan Collier Outdoors. Already know this will be a banger. He's going to be in the final draw. We'll get them mixed up a little bit. Andrew something. BODNAR Chuck. Love the videos. I'm in New Jersey. We should hunt sometime. He's going to be in the final draw. How many we got in there now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Land Between Two Waters. Great video as always. He'll be in the final draw. That's 7. Brandon is the man. Love the channel, Cliff. He's going to be in the final draw, and I think that's 8. We got 2 more. T-Real Outdoors. Do you guys have a late season for geese? I'll answer your question. Yes, we do. Get them mixed up. Stephen Dunham. Native upstate New York boy living in North Carolina. Would love to represent the shirt and love your channel. So he's going to be in the draw, and we're going to pick one more out of here for the final draw. William Hoban, keep your videos coming. Okay, so there we go. We're going to pick one more name out of here, and that's going to be the winner of the t-shirt. Michael Hedgepeth, you're the winner. So what you can do is you can message me or get a hold of me somehow, whether it be through email, through the messenger on YouTube, or you can comment and say that you're the winner, and then you get a hold of me and I can get your address and I'll get you this t-shirt sent out to you. Appreciate everybody commenting on the video, and I'm gonna be doing a really big giveaway on my upcoming video, and at the end of this video I'll show you what I'm going to be giving away, and it's a pretty valuable item. So what I'm going to do is show you this flashlight now. This thing is pretty awesome. It's the HD video recording flashlight, and the reason that I wanted this flashlight was for, you know, when I'm tracking a deer at night. A lot of times you're tracking these deer in the dark, and with my video recording capability so far, it's hard. You got to line the flashlight up with video camcorder, and in this case this takes 1080p HD video with the flashlight literally attached to it, and you have a viewing screen. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this, and I'm going to show you what we have in here. Got some directions here. There's the battery. There's the charging cable. And right there looks to be the flashlight. Okay, so this does not come with a SD card. It takes up to a 16 gigabyte SD card. So we'll go ahead and stick this SD card right in there. Okay, the SD card goes right in the back of the actual flashlight and video camera part. And then battery goes right back here. And then this twists right on to the main part. And then I'll get the camera right here close for you. Go ahead and turn it on, and the screen will come up. And there's the LED screen. You can see exactly what you're videoing. And then here's the video record option. You'll see the numbers up in the top right hand corner going as it's recording. And what's cool about this is you'll get really smooth video because it's kind of a heavy flashlight, so you're not going to get really jagged, shaky video. And then I'll show you what this video looks like from off the SD card of the camera. This thing's pretty sweet. Here's what the actual flashlight looks like. Here's your LED screen, and I'm going to take this I'll take this down in our basement and I'll shut the lights off and show you how it works with the flashlight part on it with the video recording device. Of course, if you guys want to buy one of these, you guys can get 10% off this product if you go in the description below this video, and you can get the coupon code down there, and the actual website banggood.com is in the description below. So you guys can go down there and check this out, and they have tons of stuff on their website. Anything an outdoorsman could ever want is on there. So I appreciate everybody watching this. I'm going to give you a sneak peek right now of what I'm going to be giving away on the next video. Okay everybody, so on one of my next upcoming videos, I'm going to be mounting this light bar onto my Gator. And this company was nice enough to send me 2 of them. So if you're a subscriber to my channel and if you like the video and comment on it, I'm going to put you in for a drawing on a brand new light bar just like this. That's going to be on one of my upcoming videos, so be sure to subscribe and you'll have a chance to win a sweet LED light bar for your UTV or Jeep or whatever you want to put it on. So I'll be mounting this on my Gator on a video coming here soon. I want to thank everybody for watching, and have more videos coming soon.